Hello, and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. Today, we'll be going over how to edit your login credentials for your RDP shortcut. This may need to be done in instances where your RDP shortcut brings you to a screen on the server that asks for login credentials, or if your credentials just don't seem to be working and you're certain you know your password. The first step towards editing your credentials is to right-click on your RDP shortcut and select Edit from the drop-down menu. In the window that appears, navigate to where it says Saved Credentials will be used to connect to this computer. You can edit or delete these credentials and click Delete. Click Yes when prompted. And next, go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings down below. In the next window that appears, navigate to the Logon settings in the bottom half of the screen, and you'll see where you can edit or delete saved credentials. So click Delete, and then click Yes when prompted. Once that dialog box disappears, make sure the box next to Use My RD Gateway Credentials for the remote computer is checked and click OK. Go back to the General tab and make sure the box for Allow Me to Save Credentials is checked as well. Click on Save, and then click on Connect to connect to your server. Here you'll see that I'm only being prompted for my password, but if you're prompted for both your username and password, make sure to enter that information accordingly. Once you've entered your information, check the box that says Remember Me, and then click OK to connect to your server. If all goes well and you've entered your credentials correctly, as I have here, you'll be logged back into your server without any further prompts or errors. Congratulations! If you followed these steps along with me, then you've successfully edited your logon credentials for your RDP shortcut. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.